Afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday, May the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. So one puzzle is left, the binary puzzle. And in this daily newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. I've shown you earlier the additional 4 of those puzzles I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will continue with this binary puzzle. And news of today: 219 days ago, another war started. Yes, not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas. All right, enough about the war. Binary puzzle number 8524. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now double ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. Now I need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here one, there one. Well. Come on. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3. Come on. I need to compare, I think. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 4. Here we have also 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And now we need to compare, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Question is the rows, 3 rows, or the 2 columns? I think the rows we need to compare because we have here 3 missing numbers. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. 1001. Here we have 101, double O, yeah. The first row in this row. 1100110011, empty box, 11. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have O here, this should be 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now this row, the question, the columns or the rows? Let me see here. No, this double O, double 1 here. No. How about the rows? Here the double 1. Do we have a double 1 here? Yeah. Double 1, O 1. Double 1, O 1. No. Double O then. Double O 1. Double O, double 1. Here we have a double O, double 1, O 1. Yeah. This row and that row. All right, let me compare. Oh, whoa. Sorry, again. Oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between the 1s comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Finish in 6 minutes. Wow, we solve it again. We solve again with with comparing twice what we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with a additional. So have a great and fantastic Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.